DH stock analysis Wednesday and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Target Hospitality stock sitting at $7.20, 31% down for the day. Honestly, that's a lot. That's like really a lot with Target Hospitality Corporation stock, but nonetheless, let's just move on. Looking at it from a higher time frame, I do see like a very consistent bullish trend, not gonna lie. So going with it, I do see like even like a demand zone coming in here, because this is where we previously, you know, just zoomed up. So the way that I would approach it is still super simple. I would only really entertain like any buys here if the price really shows me that it wants to go up. It's gonna take days, right? For example, for my opportunity, I want to see like a double break take place, and if that doesn't happen, then you know I'm not forcing anything, so you better know that I'm gonna wait. Just gonna put this to the highs, have this here. Let me just wait, right? If the price doesn't give me the rules, then I'm not gonna buy. So it's a simple double break to the upside. I'm just gonna put a wait sign here, and that's it. Like, I'm using my strategy that's previously given me thousands of wins. If you want to learn the strategy for free, check out the photos linked in the description. See you in the next